You're walking through your dark kitchen late at night, and bam! You smash your toe against the hard edge of a chair. The pain is hot, sharp, and immediate. A few days later, maybe you get a throbbing headache from staring at your computer screen for too long. In both cases, you walk to your medicine cabinet, swallow the exact same tiny white pill, and wait. Within 30 minutes, the pain just fades away. But think about that for a second. How does that lifeless little piece of chalk actually know whether your toe hurts or your head hurts? The truth is, it doesn't. It has absolutely no idea where your pain is. It isn't a targeted smart bomb. It's a blind assassin. To understand this invisible mechanism, we have to look at how your body communicates distress. When you smash your toe against that chair, the physical cells in your foot are violently damaged. And when a cell is ruptured, it instantly releases a chemical SOS. It spills a specific fatty acid into the surrounding tissue. Waiting nearby is a highly specialized enzyme called COX. Think of this enzyme as a biological fire alarm. It scoops up that fatty acid and rapidly converts it into a brand new chemical called a prostaglandin. These prostaglandins are the emergency messengers. They race up your nervous system's superhighway, screaming at your brain that something is physically broken. And your brain responds by making you feel the miserable sensation of pain, forcing you to sit down and protect the toe. So, you swallow an ibuprofen. You might intuitively picture that medicine traveling straight down to your foot to fix the problem. But that's impossible. The pill drops into your stomach, gets dissolved by your stomach acid, and is absorbed through the walls of your intestine directly into your bloodstream. And your bloodstream is a massive, continuous, looping river that goes absolutely everywhere. The medicine doesn't seek out the damaged toe. It blindly floods your entire circulatory system. It gets pumped into your heart, your lungs, your fingertips, and your brain. It floods every single corner of your anatomy, blindly hoping to bump into the problem. This is where the brilliant mechanics of the drug take over. As millions of ibuprofen molecules circulate through your body, they aren't looking for a toe or a head. They are looking for one specific shape, that COX enzyme, the fire alarm. Ibuprofen is mathematically structured to be the exact physical shape of the enzyme's chemical receptor. It operates like a microscopic lock and key. When an ibuprofen molecule randomly floats into the damaged tissue of your toe, it physically wedges itself inside the COX enzyme, permanently jamming the machinery. It acts like a piece of tape placed over a light switch. It physically blocks the enzyme from scooping up any more fatty acids. And just like that, the assembly line shuts down. With the enzyme jammed, your toe can no longer manufacture those emergency messengers. The alarm goes completely silent. And if there are no chemical messengers traveling up your spine, the brain stops receiving the red alert. Here is the craziest part. Your toe is still injured. The physical damage is exactly the same as it was 10 minutes ago, but the wire has been cut. You perceive relief simply because your brain is no longer being told to feel the pain. This invisible flood explains a few things you've probably noticed in your daily life. It explains why painkillers take 30 minutes to work. They literally have to wait for your heart to pump them across your entire body. It also explains why you can take a pill for a headache and, coincidentally, realize your sore back stopped hurting too. The blind assassin doesn't discriminate. It silences every single alarm it bumps into. But it's a temporary illusion. As your liver quietly filters the medicine out of your blood, the enzymes unclog. If your body hasn't finished healing the actual damage yet, the alarms will start ringing all over again. So, the next time you swallow a painkiller and wait for that comforting relief to wash over you, take a second to appreciate the chaotic, microscopic flood happening inside your veins. It's not a targeted cure. It's a beautifully engineered chemical heist, silently shutting down the body's alarms, just to buy you a moment of peace while you heal. We'll see you in the next blueprint.